fall one day. Oh, Senior, her bag was rain. Come on. Give me a bag.
Wow.
I said bag look heavy. How was that day at work? You know, so I cook your favorite. As a matter of fact, my hair pan short. I'm have a good evening plan for you today. Come on.
Yo, Jimmy! Jimmy! Yo, Jimmy! Jimmy! Jimmy the man. Jimmy! Yo, General. Come here, link boss. I got me. You know, say I did me there upon a little, I did that thing. So I got man. That's the word. That's the word. Come on. I am a boss. Link you back. Link. Link.
This morning.
Babes, you know, so I have to just jump in on them early, man, because that's how the thing go down there, you know. Yeah, man, I jump in early, you know, I can go down and sit down and relax and ease myself, and then, you know, so in the evening time, I can left early too. You understand? Yeah, man, but I don't know, man, I soon forward, man.
Yeah, nobody got no work today. Right now, I'm in a mood and, you know, so we are working on something for a long time, so come on, nobody got no work. Babes, you said that no. Come meet you at the road. Alright, may I come? Me know. Alright. You know, I'm cooking dinner, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, but more you hurry up and shower.
Yeah.
And eat. And have something for you.
Talk about that, I know, babes. What you have for me, I know.
It's a weird step, baby. You will find out soon enough. James,
Go on, babes.
do you have something to tell me?
How that? I don't know what you talk about. What you talk about now?
You sure about that?
Yeah, man.
James, what is this? Oh, so your son start your liberty now, you're dumb. I can't talk. Hi, sir. James, what is?
What days you have one paper flashing here? Oh, if you know what? I can't know what that. I just see paper flash.
You got that for your result. And you hide it from me. So, and I'm in this relationship by you alone. Let me try to see. Because whatever I read from this paper, you have to be certain. You have to be sure about this. Come talk to me, come in if you know if what me see right, come in and read this with no glasses, you know. And for you have carrot vision, 20-30 vision, something. No one, no. Talk.
Babes, you know, say, tell you the honest truth. I just forget to tell you. Because you want now, the day when me carry up, you know, when me come in with it, you never there, you're the Ghana market the day. So, and me come in with it and then now rain a fall. So, me just go put it down in there. And then now me have to go deal with the animal and now say, you know that. But, so when me come back up, God know me never remember you, man. But me never do hide it from you, man. Me have to show you it. Me have to show you that, man.
You see what your results say? Me didn't even know if me I see right to granny back. No, sir? 0.00. Them a zero longer than my bank account number to granny. No, sir?
Yes, you don't have to go on, so man. Take time to talk, no, man. I don't like they say we don't have no chance. We still have a chance, and you have to have faith in, man. We still have a chance, man. Nobody go on, so man, I make it look so, man. I make it look bad all for me, too. You don't have to make me look so bad, yes, man.
But, James, We have planned this for years. Months. Sleepless nights. All of this.
You want me to know, babe? The sun I get red power here, so. So make a grow now back for reason in a cool shape.
Take a picture.
Yes, just want you to know, say, I know hide me eye not the fry, you know. Yeah, me have it, but here want now. And me know what go on, and me know, say, a long time we have planned this thing. God know me I tell you, say, me never even know how to put it here when me get it. Yeah, but me just you want to find a right time and the right place and space, you know, to make you know the right thing. And but I don't hide nothing from you, man. And we'll make a thing happen. Yeah, we'll make it happen, man. Anyhow we can make it happen, we'll make it happen.
Make it happen. Them a 0 and 1, a 0 0 at the lower piece of chance. So much, look much pill we take. Where we have to go now? Are that baby? That is low, you know?
But babes, you can't just give up, so man. You can't just give up, so you know. Remember, say all the reverend to come pray for we all and something, you know, man. We can't just give up, so man. We have our roots, can drink to, you know. All the herbal doctor, then we can't check to, you know. We can't give up, so man.
James,
we give up, so man.
You know, look how long we are in a relationship now. You know, say it was I'm a dream to become a mother. I go to college, I focus, me do everything step by step, take it easy. Everything to become a mother. And this now, I wonder if I punish me.
But I just, you know,
James, let me ask you a question. Suppose I couldn't have no pitney and you want a son, your last opportunity to have a son. What you would do?
come on, babe. If I die in that case, we done married already, you know. So, I would just forget that and move on.
That's a lie. How do we kids, man? You mean to tell me say you get a son yet and show me can't have pitney, you go stay with me? Oh no, wicked online now? Hold that.
No, babe, so you go on, so man. Calm down, man. I tell you, if you have faith in a man. Calm down.
Yo, Stefan. Hello? Yeah, me did I wonder if me can call link you later. Alright.
Yes, Rev. Yeah, man, afternoon, man. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, she's here, man. Yeah, I'm aware of it, man. She's here, man, and all that, we're there, man. No matter of fact, we just want to say a whole little reason to, so we're there, man. Yeah, a matter of fact, I'm going to remind her right now, too. Alright, yeah, man, thank you very much.
What going, Chris?
I'm there, and I'll be where say I'm going with. Long time I don't see you, you know. Thing good here.
So what happened? You don't miss me?
Boy, I be right now to let you miss everything about you. Too long I don't see you, it's like you move off my face like earth, you know. Too long I don't see you, and so I realize say you live comfortable happy life, you know, so you can't stress anything, you know, so you just go and hold me one down.
You know, say, I some problem I had on my yard, but I don't want your help. For a long time I work for it, it's like, nah, happen.
No, so about this not sound good. So you live happy married life and have problem in it?
Even happy marriages have problems, and not everybody perfect. As a matter of fact, me and James good, but I want a little problem we have down our yard, and I'm not going to go to ask anybody car. I don't trust them like that. I did this so I can come to you, come ask you about this problem, or I can help me with this problem.
all, now you still not tell me a problem because you still a grow on and come on like I said, a burden upon your head. So tell me why problem because if me can't be more to help you, you know, so just tell me why problem.
Alright. For a while now, me and James I try make a family. Right, so we take medication, we go doctor, we take all kind of thing, and it's like it not work. So me just come to you now to see if you can help me out, because I don't know what else to do, who else to turn to but you.
Action.
Yes, me not know.
Action.
Yes, me know how you feel like say, me I keep nothing from you, you know. Cause just because me come in as me tell you what happened there, so that's why me never get to show you. You understand? Because me know what we want, me know what we want to deal with, you know. Yeah, and I like say me no know. But I just, me know, I don't, so.
And action.
Oh yeah,
No, I say make it happen.
why you going again?
What's it?
No sir.
You're not supposed to be in here.
I'm today.
Like outside.
I do what I do.
Hearted. Double trouble. So I told them there now.
Even what? That's crazy.
Even me and James. As a matter of fact, me and James
That's
good.
what me I thought.
Which one?
It's funny start.
Even.
Alright.
Action.
So that's why I come to you to go and help me.
Me right it then. How long you feel link me so what me there do? Come on man, take the time we there start talk. Come on my girl because if you go say no man I play place, you know, so we need to work, you know. I say things set, you know. What you do man? You are there, no place, you know.
So mama tell us, say, yo, and come to you now, you want you to breed her because her husband can't do the work. You see me? You see because you and she did there? You gotta say to her, say, yo, first you gotta laugh off him. See? So you gotta say, yo, bumba, where I say, yo, I say, nah, fire.
So from them camera say action if you start laugh like me.
She give you man. So you see after she say, yo, so that's why I come to you for you, help me. So I say, hold on there. Because you're surprised at the whole situation. Just imagine, say, yo, you're a girl there, a man take him from you, go marry her, you see me? And then she end up come back to you and say, yo, she need to get her pregnant because this man can't get her pregnant. So you start laugh off him now because the man usually pop style pan you know, and he take a girl and pop style pan you. So you laugh and I say, well, I say, yo, him can't fire. Him blows and scared. You see it? That's why you should have stayed with me, you know. So I'm making just left him and come do with me, man. What you do with man we can't get her pregnant? I mean, no, say a long time I want to become a mother, you know, because from them the time when I usually there, I always hear you talk about it. You see me? It's a sign this in a baby, man. What you say, man? And then I cut, go back and she say, no, I just breed, she want you to breed her, she don't want nothing else. You see me? Yeah. So
no,
ready now?
I just a sperm do and I'm a
No. Alright, ready now, General? Alright. Action.
So cut.
But what you can do is, you want to start back from top, man. What I want to do is, man, you slow it down. I don't want to rush it.
Alright.
You hear me?
Yeah.
Just get comfortable. Just
Yeah,
get
go
relaxed,
different, yeah.
comfortable. And just breathe. You don't rush it, you see me?
I like your attitude. You can't talk to me, bro. I got me looking people there, man. You can't talk to me. I have to give them attitude. The attitude be like,
It's an attitude there, yeah.
no, man, I give my attitude because I beg me. You come from. Previously on pregnancy test. What is this? Oh no, no wicked so man.
Come on, man. Take me there, start talk. Come on, my girl. Because you go say no man, I play place, you know. So we need to work, you know. I say things set, you know.
Yes, Rev. Yeah, man, afternoon, man.
Yes, sir. Hey, Sash. Well, you know, say it's a girl put in there, you know. You understand? I'm going to name her Tommy still, you know, because certain things set in.
Listen, Chris or Stephanie, any one of them I want to refer to now, we had a deal. We do this and it done. No string attached. There will never be a me and you again. There's a big difference. I passed that. Whatever happens, just keep it a secret. I don't need to hear nothing else about it. I don't need to talk to you about this again. I did enjoy myself last night. As me start so. As me start so. I'm done. Why? The moment I can't tell you what it is. Little. They don't mash him up.
You know, come eat a little breakfast and I look bored around there. All the tea around there are cold, you know.
You know, say something I do. You can't talk that when I come in, you know.
But babe, you don't want the tea free and the breakfast, the cold out around there, man. You better you come get it hot. But anyway, still, since I say, that can't work, bro.
I said early man who did smoke ganja man. Young man, I only pan days me see what I know. You can find something you should do, man. You should do not go read. Find something, man.
Morning, sir. So who you? God, me see you just up like you're a pastor with Bible in your hand. Pastor supposed to approach people better than that, you know. So, I don't understand you. You come out say you do godly work and them the way you talk to people, man. I don't understand you, man.
Good morning. I'm sorry, sir. I apologize to you, you know. So, I invite you to church now. I invite you to church, you know, so when you come to church, instead of you sit down, remind me, pass me, see you there, rub your little weed and things. So instead of you sit down, so now, come to church. Right, sir?
Morning again, Pastor. I have a question for you, you know. See? Suppose when you did young, you have a girl, and a man take him away from you. See? Turn around, married her. See? Leave her house with her and thing, and when you check it, that man now come round a pop style upon your road and then wait there. You know? Then the CMB now I come back to you to get her pregnant. And hold on the pastor, I left her something to you know. See? And I want the man no want to breed her, you know. See? I can't breed her. See? What you would do, pastor? Just tell me. Tell me what you would do about that. Come in and know me. Just tell me.
See, when we was a young boy, I take her man and breed her man. No, in my church, I preach God word. I'm bother with that. Right? You see that situation you find out to me, my youth, if I know, I have nothing to deal with that. Right? Nothing.
But babes, you know something I like when you look so, you know. You know, she say, you hear one touch up, man.
James, is that sweet, man?
You have got touch up a little more, man. I want to see here a flash around me, you know. You hear?
I'm talking, man. I'm not here. So anything I do inside, go and work inside. You know why you want that.
Babes, you know, say from one day I want to talk to you. Yeah, man, cause you know, say you give me one attitude forward here, me I wonder what happened to you. Can't talk to me for anything, you know, man. I remember say, if I don't know if I look a result thing, I make your head stir up still. But anyway, remember say, Pastor will come still, so I can come pray for you and give you a counseling. You understand? So, if I that, I'm going to make your head worry too much over that, yeah.
Well said, Pastor, man. Well said, because that the answer me I look for still, you know. You know? Because guess what? You're not even in a situation, so you can't say anything. See? But to tell you the truth, that I go on, so that's why I have to go and burn my herbs in and go and while I medicine.
No, man, you don't have to burn no way. Now invite you to church. Me, can I show you a better way, man? Right? Come to church.
Yeah, man, me here. So, I went off your church, and which part of your church I keep you now?
Right down my Broughton Road there. Nice square there. Right, sir?
Yeah, man, me here, Pastor.
James, I don't really think I understand, you know. I swear, I don't think I understand how I feel. Right now, I'm in a mood, so just go back inside, yeah? Let me sleep on the face in peace, man, peace and quiet. Please. Do you think the pastor can help we in our way to do?
Be, I want to be in here too negative, you know. You know, if so negative, you know. Because you want now, we have a lot of things can work, you know, a lot of things can happen. We have mental things, we have heart. Yeah, Pastor. Yeah, man, welcome, man. Welcome, man. You can come inside, man. Come out of the sun, Pastor, man. Yeah, man, have a seat. Have a seat.
So, what do you do, man?
Good,
You know that, everything alright?
Pastor, we're there, you know. We're there going easy, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we're just there going and enjoy the cool breeze. I just can't see sun hot, you know. So, you know, if you're there, we just go and hold it, you know. Yeah, man.
That's good, man. That's good. That's good. Alright, man, right. I understand now what the issue is going, right? So, when you show it to me, you what going?
So, babe, you want me to tell him or you want to tell him?
Tell him.
Yes, Pastor. You want now? A long time we are trying to start a family, Pastor. Long time we there and we try everything and it does not work out how we want it to work out.
Pastor, you need to put half of the story. So when you first start talk, you usually drink rum, you smoke all the soda, them in the panel like water, and nobody couldn't talk to him. See then now, and he make me can't get pregnant. I notice sun change in the bedroom. Normally, James, if you're honest with yourself for what I see, for you start smoke and drink up and sitting them, you're different, you're changed. There's a two. If me can feel it, you can feel it too, because you're body.
Pastor, nothing know about that, man. What that? You have to go so far in, I think.
Let me talk. You want Pastor to come here? So let me talk in peace. You want me to breathe in peace?
I'm not have to worry, man. I'm not have to worry, you know. Let's go easy, man, and things will work. You never try artificial insemination. Never try?
So, you know, no Christian, some Christian are supposed to against that. How you talk about artificial insemination?
The Bible don't have nothing to do with that.
As a matter of fact, I don't want to go the road there. I want to have everything natural. You can't. That's not in my league right now.
But if that you want, that's your choice.
I don't see how sitting here talking to this man I go help with anything. I don't even know if a man have paid me. James, I'm tired. I work for a morning. I need a shower. I want to cool off. I want to rest. I want to sleep. So I'm matter of fact, I'm going inside.
No babes, you're not fair going some man. I need the Pastor come to talk to us. Pastor, now watch that, yeah.
You have to be careful with that woman there, no? That boy, that woman there, if you don't mind, somebody will agree with you.
Yes, Pastor. So you see you leaving now?
Yes, sir.
Alright, sir. Take care of yourself.
Have a good evening.
Alright, sir. And you too. And the rain are coming up, Pastor, so hurry up and make it catch you, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. You have to travel with umbrella when you come. You have to travel.
Man. You like it rain how far with you? I see if I can reach up for it rain.
You have them time, you know, Pastor. Yes, Pastor. Hurry up, man. Have a good evening.
Yeah.
Chris, at 2 weeks now, you know, I know I can't see no symptom. As a matter of fact, I just take a pregnancy test. I wait on the result. Negative. So you know what that means? You have to do this again.
Well, alright. So what you say, Adi? You can check me and check you.
Me arrange the time, man. Me call you. Alright.
Alright, look a bit there. Yeah. Cool.
B, how are you in the salon, man? How are you going with? How are you do? In the salon, man.
Then I just tell us I have a beard. Handle my head.
B, me out there with the pastor for about 45 minutes to an hour, you know. Yeah, man, but me I say, I look here when me talk to you about you going in there and touch up. Why you not easy, you know?
What happened? You want to see? I feel all sitting I can't take from the door.
So, I know for your house too. My hair look nice too.
That's all I like.
So, you know, I like everything about you a long time, I don't know.
Go play till you can prove it. I grew up with a girl in Angel, so come back.
Why you too? You say you're tired. I say you're going to road. Are you not easy?
How you tax them there? Sure. What time place that? Cause you come like say place that go like pan we you know. Tell you make you look so.
Girl, from other day I try to get pregnant and at 2 weeks now I don't know, I see no symptoms, nothing. I don't know what to do. I even take a pregnancy test and it's negative. But so I know sometimes they think I'm not accurate. Boy, I just feel like I give up on this whole being a mother situation.
You know what I say? Since I say I take a pregnancy test and it come negative, you can try after 5 days time and see what you say. When I try to get pregnant, you know, and 1 month before I start seeing any symptoms, you know, every minute as I want to go to the bathroom, go vomit, and a big green man come want, you know. Yeah, only pass up, yeah, man. But I can't give up on being a mother. And I tell you already, just try pregnancy test 5 days after and you see result. But you want taxi or come? Taxi! Taxi! Anyway, I'm going to trust yourself, yeah? Take it easy, because you know, say for stress, you only got me to worry. But what you can do is, me tell you for experience, you can blend up some juice game, you can yeah, as me did I say, you can blend up some juice game, you can switch up your position them, because you can't go on with the one bag of same position them, you have to switch them up. But anyways, me run go up here, so I hear me link you. Alright, thank you. Later.
GMs! I'm going to do a lap. I'm not feeling it.
Go on.
Oh, yeah, girl, like you go out, so.
I say, baby, man, then you call me there and wait for you. Right now, me have to move go to the road, you know, because I have something I have to deal
No,
with.
B, you can't leave. You don't know, so we have something to
You
deal
want
with.
know, what me I go deal is very important. So I have to cut go up the road. What we are going to do, you can't deal with come on, man. I soon come back. I not spend more like at least 1, 2, 3 hours deal with that. So I have to deal with that. I come back 3 hours. Soon come back, man. We can't do that. Come back, man. Here.
Really? Like, really?
How about this? How? Yo, where you going with that now?
James says I'm going for 2 to 3 hours, so I have to come now.
No man, me can't link you off your yard, man. You're mad, man. Say no spot me live, man. You don't know spot yourself, sir.
Wow, you're not going to trick him. I wonder how you're not going to trick him.
Sash.
Ratted. Hey, all husband included in there. No, say when you're too nice, my God.
Yeah, man, like right now.
Alright. Yeah, man, give me 5 minutes, me I come. Yeah, man. Alright.
Aye.
That was my phone there. Yeah, I left it down there to start. Yeah, no. I get, once I set the gate up, she go on with it. So yeah, how fast you pass this? All you do a lot. Sash! Sash! How I go on in there? Sash!